All right, today, real quick video how to get your deck belt on a Cub Cadet mower. Now this one happens to be on a 2166. So let me see if I can get us a little bit better right there, so you're not all crooked and stuff. There you go. Hopefully that's straight. Got a big old hole in my deck. There's a long story to why I got this deck instead of the original one, but that's for another story, another day. So anyway, this is your deck belt. Now let me tell you about this deck belt. Camera still looks like it's not level. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, maybe that's better. That's better right there. I gotta be nitpicky today, I guess. Okay, that deck belt, the little short one, mine broke the other day, and so called down to the mower place. They didn't have one. Went to Walmart, crossed my fingers, hopefully they had one. No, they didn't have one. Went to Ranch Feed Tractor Supply, they had one. I think they wanted like 40 bucks for this belt. $40 for this belt. Now the long PTO one runs from the front of my lawnmower to right here. I bought that last year for $40. But they wanted 40 bucks for this belt. And then I went to another ranch place, they wanted 38. I said, this just ain't gonna happen. So what I did was found this one on Amazon. I'll give you the number to it, and I'll put the part number to this so you can. $11 on Amazon. 11, not 38, not 40, 42, whatever. 11 bucks. So anyway, that's your money saving tip from Donald at Blue Collar DIY. So how to get this on? If your diagram's all wore off and you can't see how, you forget how this goes on, let me see if I can remember. I took these bolts loose just so this shroud would come up a little bit. I didn't want to take it all off. This thing's all rusty. This is not my original deck, and there's a reason for that, but I'm not going into it. So you want not this pulley, but the bottom pulley. You should have 2 pulleys. I'll put this baby doll on right there if we can get it by that big pulley. There we go. Okay, now got it on the lower pulley. We got it on our pulley over here. Had it on a pulley. You'll pull this up. The flat part, the back of the belt, rides on this one. Everything else rides over here. Got this spring. This is spring loaded. We're back off over here. This is one of those octopus jobs where you need a couple hands. Okay, got it here. All we're going to do, everything's on where it should be. And we'll roll that right on. You're going to push this one against the spring. Boom. Oops. Got my big old beer gut into that lawnmower blade. There we go. That's all she wrote right there, guys. Like I said, I'll put the part number that MTD and Cub Cadet says this is. I always check your spring here. That is getting a little old, but I think I'll get another year out of it. Oh, there's a grease there. I gotta grease that. I'm getting the grease gun real good someplace. Well, I had my grease gun out just a little while ago. And I've got a grease zerk missing right here. These are press on or press in grease zerks. Pain in the butt. I guess Cub Cadet saved about 2 cents, maybe a penny and a half using them. Okay. Okay. And I done greased this one, greased that one. So we're good to go. Thank y'all for watching. Hope this helps y'all when you're trying to put your belt on a Cub Cadet, and I hope it saves you money when you get, instead of spending 40 bucks for a belt, which is ridiculous, when you get $11 one. So anyway, Donald Blue Collar DIY, I'm out of here.